Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing about the 2022 Volvo V40. Volvo will soon launch a C82 SUV as an indirect successor to the discontinued V40 hatchback. The announcement was recently confirmed by the company's European boss, and the crossover is expected to go on sale within the next 2 years. When it eventually reaches the UK, the new Volvo V40 will go up against an ever-expanding range of premium compact crossovers. The segment is currently dominated by the Audi Q2, BMW X2, and Mercedes GLA, all of which act as a more expensive alternative to the class-founding Nissan Juke. Until its death in August 2019, the old V40 hatchback was the only model in Volvo's lineup, which had not migrated to the brand's larger SPA or CMA underpinnings. It was still based on an adapted version of the Ford C1 platform, which was acquired during Volvo's stint under the American company's control between 1999 and 2010. Since then, however, Volvo's ownership has been transferred to the Chinese automotive giant Geely, which means the next V40 will likely move to a larger, taller, and more modern platform which offers support for electrification. There is the potential for the new V40 to use an adapted version of the CMA underpinnings found under the XC40. This would allow the newcomer to share the same lineup of 3 and 4-cylinder combustion engine along with Volvo's recently launched 1.5-liter plug-in hybrid and all-electric powertrains. "We need to do something more creative," he said. "That's why we have decided to not just replace the V40 on a one-to-one basis. There's two things you can't exclude in the thinking process towards the generation of V40. The high seating position is really an issue, and we see a lot of people moving from V40 into XC40. Lex Kassenmakers, Volvo Senior President for Europe, the Middle East and America, recently told Auto Express how customer trends and growing need for hybrid drive has ruled out a conventional low-slung hatchback replacement for the V40. Kassenmakers continued with the topic of electrification, adding, "You cannot offer a new car anymore which is not equipped to be fully electrified. And to be fully electrified, you need capacity to put the batteries in. If you try to achieve that through width and length, then you are instantly into the C/D segment, which we already have V60, S60 and XC60. Thank you guys. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.